Nico, shh. Blizzard eating a mouse. Yum, yum. Ooh, look at him, dude. He's just maneuvering this. Oh my gosh. Ew, what a perfect view. God, that's gross. I can't stop watching it. Come on, baby. Get that thing in your mouth. Nikolai, stop, please. I'm going to try to record the whole thing. It's already been almost 3 minutes. Quite a process. Ew. That shit. Ew. Oops. Ew. Ew, he's eating his ear. You can see the flap in his ear. Oh my god, gross. Where are your teeth? Do you have teeth? Ew. So violent. Even though it's a frozen dead mouse. Ugh, it's disgusting. You. Ew. So gross, but I can't stop watching it for some reason. Oh, his arm's gonna get stuck. What do we do about that? Ew. Oh my god, ew. His head's getting all bigger. He's eating part of that mouse. It's already been 5 minutes. 5 minutes of this crap. This is intense. It's a little mouse, so it shouldn't take too long. Damn it, Josh, you're missing texting me. Nikolai, be careful, please. Nikolai, please stop. Cuz you're gonna end up getting hurt. I know you, boy. He's lifting him. I've never seen him do that before. He literally just lifted him. I got it on video, so don't worry. Start getting them feet in, buddy. Oh, he's gonna break his legs. Look at his head's getting big and stuff. Ew. Oh, shit. Why do people keep freaking texting me? God, he's taking... Oh, there we go. His leg's getting all fucked up. Oh, after 10 minutes, I kind of don't want to watch any more of this because it's getting too long. Who's going to want to watch 20 minutes of a snake eating a freaking mouse? Oh, it is pretty interesting to watch that. Yeah. I hear what anyone says. There he goes. Oh, he's devouring that thing with the snake skin attached to it. That's kind of gross. I wonder if he'd eat that. Gross. Oh, he got his feet in there. Yay. Good job, Blizzard. Ooh, man, he's down in that thing quick. It's quicker than usual, actually, now I think about it. God, he's really down. Oh my God, he's just slurping it down today. It's kind of gross. Once he got past those hands, he just downed it. Ew. Good job, Snaky. Good job, Blizzard. Down in it. Ew. Are you enjoying being video recorded, dear? The way he moves his jaw, dude. It's insane. Here he goes. He's going to slurp down the rest of him. God, I just love the way his freaking mouth moves. It's crazy. You know, his lips all curved and funny. Oh my God, it's so funny. Ew. Is that yummy, mister? Oh my God, your face looks so scary when you eat. Get a good video of that part. Let me see your face. Ew. Much more cooler in person, but this video will do for anyone who's never seen a snake eat a mouse. It's quite horrific, but also kind of cool. Gotta readjust his jaw. You'll fix your jaw now, baby. Oh, does that make you feel better now that oh, look at you smiling. You're so happy. You're like, thanks, Mom. Appreciate the mouse I ate. How to rehinge your jaw, baby. Takes about 15 minutes for you to eat a snake. Or takes you about 15 minutes to eat a mouse. It's only 13, so about 14 minutes actually, if you want to get technical. Are you happy, sweetie? Yeah. Oh, I got a perfect video of you doing that. Oh my gosh, that's epic. Thank you, sweetie. You're so sweet. Blizzard, I love you. Have good sleeps, okay? I know you're going to sleep really good for the next couple of days. Mwah. All right. Oh, whoa, that was creepy. Okay, so that was intense. So that was exactly what I wanted to get on video. Good job. Thank you. Are you done adjusting your jaw? Back to normal? God, that was like really perfect, dude. That was so perfect. Ah, I'm so excited. Thank you. Goodbye, Blizzard. Enjoy your sleep for the next few days. Be good. Mwah.